Hi guys, welcome back to Learning with JD. So in today's session we are going to talk about the key concepts of project, schedule, knowledge area. So there are three concepts which are laid down in the PMBOK 6th edition. We are going to talk about all the three. First, project scheduling is the process that defines and represents how and when the project is going to deliver the product, the service and the result as defined in the scope. So the most important part here is that the project scheduling knowledge area is the one that is completely going to define how, also the word how, and when will the project will actually be delivered. Now whether it is a product, it is a service or it is a result, the entire plan, the representation of the project plan is as a part of the project schedule management. Second, the project schedule is used as a tool for communication, managing the stakeholder expectation and also reporting on the performance. The project schedule as a whole, as a knowledge area, is a tool for managing all the expectation of the stakeholders. Understand whatever the stakeholder needs, whatever is the expectation from the stakeholder, the way you are communicating with the stakeholder and what is the performance on the project. Everything is a part of the project schedule management. And the third and the most important key concept which is laid down in PMBOK 6th edition is whenever possible, the schedule should be flexible enough to accommodate the lessons learned, the increased understanding on the risk and to add value added activities. Understand that throughout the project there can be a possibility that your activities may change because you understand and you realize there are more risks coming up. You realize that there are some lessons learned that you have learned throughout the project till now, and you now want to accommodate that. So these are the three key concepts. One is that from a project perspective, schedule management remains the key document to represent and tell you how and when the project is going to deliver the product, the service or the result. Second, the schedule is used as the key tool for communicating, managing customer expectation. And third, that the schedule should be flexible enough throughout the project because you want to add as a part of the lessons learned, you have to add value added activities and you also want to implement the risk that you have identified throughout the project. I hope that's clear. You can see on more key concepts which are laid down as part of PMBOK 6th edition in some of the videos that I keep on uploading on my channel. Like, share and comment. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already. Till then, keep connecting, keep studying and all the best.